So I started stripping down the wheels. Got new tyres delivered from the Putch shop. When I took the wheels off, I hope you can see that. Obviously, I knew these were corroded, but I didn't realise it was as bad as it is. So, on the rim here, I hope you can see that. There is a big fucking hole. So, because of that, I've decided I need new rims. And because I'm getting new rims, I've decided I need new spokes. Because I'm doing new spokes and a new rim, I think I'm going to get the hubs, what do they call it, vapor blasted, so they look kind of shiny and new to go with it. So the inner size for the rim of the wheel is about 35 mil, is it? 34 and a half, 35 mil, something like that. Probably take all the corrosion off it, so 35 even. And the outside is 49, I believe. Find something that ain't too rusted. Yeah, 49. And the spokes on these, from up by the rim to down there, I'm guessing that's about 165 mil with a 90 degree. 36 spokes, 18 per side, 9 up, 9 down. That's the pattern, because I'm going to need to refer to this when I come to rebuild it. So that's the kind of pattern. Hopefully, rebuilding it won't be too much of an arse pain. So it's basically been a lot of grinding and polishing. The front spindle's all cleaned up and done. I'm going to take these out next, these suspended, and clean these up. Yeah, you saw the pedals are on. They're now turning nicely. They were all seized up before. Just been a lot of wire brushing. The hub, I've cleaned the inside of that, but again, I'm thinking of getting that vapor blasted. These cases, it's not like a normal race of bearings. This is like a domed cup that goes in. Now, 3 of them are okay. But this one here has corroded through on its front there, and all the bearings had kind of fallen out. So I have got some bearings, but I'm not sure I've got all the bearings. So I'm just deciding where to go forward on that. Also, I'm deciding what to do with the chain guard. I've got the back one that I sandblasted. And I know it's got holes in it and everything, but it's original. So, and that's been clear coated now. I'm wondering whether I just do that on those two. I've kind of been trying to fight it because I wanted to keep the economy stickers. I wanted to keep the original decals, but we will see. We will see what happens. So because I've got just a lot of little projects to do, I actually, if you on any of my other socials, I only really do Instagram and this, you'll know that I cleared out my storage unit. I've got to make some space in there. So what I'm going to do is, while I'm waiting for wheels and everything to come across, this bike is going to be stored. I'm going to bring in one of the other bikes from the storage unit, possibly do a couple of videos getting that running, and then I'm going to put that up for sale. Yeah, as I said in the other video, sick dogs and things going on. I need to raise some funds, so one of the projects will have to go. I need your opinion. Well, I need some information. 1, can we run LEDs off a 6-volt system? And 2, do we put little micro LED indicators on the back of this thing? It kind of looks cool, it kind of looks weird. I'm not sure. I just think with some of these, like with the shiny new shocks, LEDs, a couple of shiny little bits, it might just look cool. I'm not sure. Someone help. It's time to do one of my favourite parts of any project. Clean the stuff that's done off the board. Let's start a new list. So, what are we going for? Buy. What we got to buy? Brakes. We've got to buy rims. 16-inch spokes. Vapor blast. Hubs. Handlebars. Not sure if we'll do anything else. Well, there's a lot off the list, but I'm sure more will come. To those that commented on me using a claw hammer on the engine cases on my last video, I've been on Facebook Marketplace. I've now got a copper hammer and one of these leather hammers, a rubber one and a wooden one. So I think I've got all the hammers. Still got the trusty claw hammer though.